Okay, so my brother called, wants to borrow my trailer. Hasn't been moved in quite a while since it snowed anyway, so I'm gonna give it a go and see what happens. Could be fun. He might have, I don't know.
Well, just don't tell him.
Okay. Here we go. Oh yeah? So, got the trailer dropped off, and my brother runs a large chicken farm, so he's actually using the trailer to get some roosters. Anyway, I needed some bedding, and I usually get my shavings, from him or from somewhere else around here. But he said he had the straw that he wanted to, he's been using, so I thought, well, I'll give it a go. I've never used it before, but that's what it is. So it's in a bale, just like shavings, and it actually says right here, save on time and money. So that sounds good to me. Let's give it a try. I'm gonna try it on my my goats and my chickens. We'll see how they like it, see how it works. Okay, so I'm at the chicken coop, and I'm gonna go in and start cleaning out all the wood shavings that are in there, and try this this straw that Thomas here seems to be enjoying. Hey buddy, yeah, stuff. Dawson, we got everybody out here today. There's Cucumber, there's Patches, little Snowball back there somewhere. Anyway, so there's the door for the chickens coming out when they want it. As you can see, I had to put a little extra wood there to keep goats out. They can get through amazingly small spaces. And here we got the birds just hanging out. I'm gonna have to kick them out, get this mess cleaned up. Anyway, I'll get to it. Do it. Okay, so now everything's cleaned out. Just gotta bust open the bale of straw here and spread it around. What's up, Thomas? Hey, buddy. Say hi. Yeah? You happy? Mm-hmm. Okay, go. You're a pain in the butt. Thomas. Thomas. There, go play. Go play with that. So you can see it's she chopped up real nice and small, so we'll see how this works. Doesn't smell as nice as new pine shavings though. Thomas, can you? Thank you. It's one of my hens. She's been with me for a while. These are Ameraucana, so they lay the blue and the green eggs. Pretty good chickens. I'm gonna get an incubator and hatch a bunch more this spring. Try to sell a few. Okay. Anyway, here you go. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. In the next video, I gotta clean out the goats. Kind of the same thing. Trying some straw, shredded straw with them. See if they like it, and who knows what else we'll get up to. Anyways, I wanna thank you for watching. I would appreciate your subscription to this new channel of mine. It's all gonna be about things I do on the hobby farm here. Just basically living the real life on Hightower Acres. And who knows what's going to be next. Judging by the weather, could be in a tractor plowing some snow. So stay tuned, and thanks a lot.